Hello, so this is a revision video for IB Chemistry S1.5.1, the ideal gas model. An ideal gas is a simplified model used in chemistry and physics to help us understand and calculate gas behavior. The model itself is based on a set of assumptions. These assumptions enable us to consider that only temperature, pressure, and moles of a gas determine the volume it occupies, meaning we can ignore the type of gas that it is. Key assumptions include that particles are in constant random motion. They move freely in straight lines until they collide with other particles or walls of the container they are in. The volume of individual gas particles is negligible. The size of the gas particles is so small that their total volume is effectively zero compared to the container size they are in. No intermolecular forces exist. There are no attractions or repulsions between gas particles. They don't interact except during collisions. All collisions are elastic. When gas particles collide, they don't lose kinetic energy, and the total kinetic energy before and after a collision is the same. Temperature is related to average kinetic energy. The higher the temperature, the faster the particles move. All particles have different kinetic energies, but the average increases with temperature. Now, these are assumptions, and although no gas is truly ideal and doesn't follow these assumptions perfectly, most gases do behave like this under most everyday and normal conditions, especially at a high temperature and low pressure. However, real gases don't always follow these assumptions, as outlined in section S1.5.2.